American Express Gold Card Review 2025. Worth it or leave it? Most people get this wrong. They assume all premium credit cards are only about luxury perks or airline miles. But the American Express Gold Card in 2025 offers a unique combination of rewards, dining benefits, and flexible points that can make it a powerhouse for everyday spending if you know how to maximize it. Today, we're going to break down the American Express Gold Card, explore its features, and help you decide if it's worth it or should be left on the table. Let's begin with ***. What the American Express Gold Card is ***. This card is positioned as a premium rewards card tailored for foodies, travelers, and people who spend significantly on dining and groceries. Unlike travel-only cards, the Amex Gold focuses on maximizing everyday purchases, especially at restaurants and supermarkets, while still offering travel flexibility. Here's ***. How the American Express Gold Card works in 2025. ***. 1. Earning points. The Gold Card earns membership rewards points, which are highly flexible and can be transferred to numerous airline and hotel loyalty programs. The earning rates are 4 points per $1 spent at restaurants worldwide, 4 points per $1 spent at U.S. supermarkets up to $25,000 per year, then 1 point per $1, 3 points per $1 on flights booked directly with airlines or through Amex Travel, 1 point per $1 on all other purchases. 2. Sign-up bonus. The current offer typically provides a substantial membership rewards bonus after meeting a minimum spending requirement, often around 60,000-75,000 points after spending $4,000 in the first 3 months. These points can cover flights, hotels, or even gift cards. 3. Redemption options. Membership rewards points are highly versatile. You can redeem points for travel bookings via Amex Travel, transfers to airline and hotel partners like Delta, British Airways, or Hilton, statement credits for purchases, gift cards, and merchandise, though these offer less value than travel redemptions. 4. Annual fee and interest rates. The Gold Card carries a $250 annual fee. Interest rates are high if balances aren't paid monthly, which is why it's best for people who pay off their card in full. 5. Travel and lifestyle benefits. While not a luxury travel card, it still offers perks like $120 dining credit annually, $10 monthly at select partners, no foreign transaction fees, access to Amex offers for bonus points and discounts, purchase protections, and extended warranty coverage. Now let's dive into the pros and cons of the American Express Gold Card in 2025. Pros. High points earning on dining and groceries. 4x points at restaurants and supermarkets is among the highest rates for everyday spending. Flexible membership rewards points. Points can be transferred to multiple airline and hotel partners, making them highly versatile. Generous sign-up bonus. Enough points to cover several flights or hotel stays, if redeemed smartly. Dining credits and offers. Monthly credits help offset the annual fee and add value. No foreign transaction fees. Great for international travelers using it for purchases abroad. Cons. High annual fee. $250 is significant, especially if you don't maximize benefits. Limited travel perks compared to platinum cards. No lounge access or elite hotel perks. Caps on grocery bonus. 4x points, only up to $25,000 per year. Interest rates. Like most Amex cards, the APR can be high if balances carry over. Consider real world examples. Sarah, a foodie, uses the Gold Card for all her dining out. She earns thousands of points monthly and redeems them for flights to Europe, effectively getting free travel. David, a family shopper, uses it for groceries. With 4x points on $2,000 of groceries per month, he racks up enough points to redeem for multiple hotel stays or flights annually. Emily, an occasional traveler, struggles to justify the annual fee because she doesn't spend enough in the bonus categories, highlighting the importance of aligned spending habits. Comparing the American Express Gold Card to other cards in 2025 Chase Sapphire Preferred better for broad travel spend and higher transfer flexibility, but lower rewards on groceries and dining. CD Premier Card good for travel and everyday categories, but doesn't have the same dining and grocery focus. American Express Platinum Card offers superior travel perks, lounge access, and hotel benefits, but with a much higher annual fee, making it overkill for non-frequent travelers. Tips to maximize the American Express Gold Card ****. 1. Use it for dining and grocery purchases ****. This is where the card truly shines, with 4x points on each. 2. Leverage the dining credit ***. Remember to enroll and use the $10 monthly credits to reduce net costs. 3. Transfer points strategically for the highest value. Transfer to airline partners instead of redeeming for statement credits or merchandise. 4. Combined with Amex offers *** stack bonus points offers to increase rewards for specific purchases. 5. Pay in full each month *** avoid interest charges, which can quickly negate the benefits of rewards. Security and support in 2025 Amex is known for exceptional customer service and security features, including fraud protection, purchase protection, extended warranties, and dispute resolution. These protections make it a safe and reliable card for everyday and travel purchases. So, the ultimate question. Is the American Express Gold Card worth it or leave it If you frequently spend on dining and groceries and you enjoy travel rewards flexibility, the Amex Gold Card is absolutely worth it. The points earning potential and sign-up bonus can easily offset the annual fee. If your spending is low in the bonus categories, or you prefer direct travel perks like lounges and hotel upgrades, you may want to consider other options like the Platinum or Sapphire cards. In conclusion, the American Express Gold Card in 2025 is a high-reward, versatile card for those who spend heavily on dining, groceries, and travel. Its combination of 4x points, flexible redemption options, and dining-focused benefits can provide substantial value. While the $250 annual fee is notable, strategic use of the card including monthly credits, point transfers, and enrollment in Amex offers can easily justify the cost. For the right spender, the Amex Gold Card is more than worth it. It's a card that rewards your everyday habits while giving you the flexibility to enjoy your travel dreams.